reevaluate whether or not they'll need to reopen it.
Let's get things over to First Alert Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Dave, Karen just mentioned it. We got some winter weather coming our way.
We do indeed. Snow's on the way. In fact, some mountains got some snow today. That's not the big system we're expecting, but it's on the way out there today. A lot of cloud cover out there, and it's still hanging on as we take a look at the weather map. Let's bring up the Front Range map here, and I want to show you the clouds we had today. Let's pop those on the map here. And we had breaks in the clouds here and there with some sunshine, but even with that cloud cover, look at our highs today. We were in the 70s in Fort Collins, 79 in Boulder today. Denver made it to 80, actually scratched that 82 degrees. That needed to be updated there. We tied the record high today, believe it or not, in the Denver metro area with 82 degrees, and it was 77 in the Castle Rock area today. Let's take you over to the forecast map here, walk you right across the mountains and show you what's going on the big picture here. There's the cloud cover that was moving through today, and in fact, there was enough moisture in that southwesterly flow that we saw a little snow in some areas south of Aspen down towards Crested Butte, believe it or not, and some of those mountains up there with all of the moisture coming in. And that's not even the cold front. This is kind of just revolving around a big high pressure area right over Texas here that brought in the southwesterly winds that boosted our temperature today to 82. Next big thing now is cold front and a system trough that's kind of split its energy into two areas, up in Wyoming and down in Las Vegas. And both of these are going to affect us here. Tonight, the first front moves through. We're going to see some good snow and rain in some of the mountains in the western part of Colorado. Then both of them kind of bookend the state here. Wyoming is going to get pounded with lots of snow from the low pressure area on the top. So one way moves through tonight, and then once everything gets out over eastern Colorado, we see kind of a little upslope and a little snow coming in on Wednesday morning, and that could be Denver's first snow around here. So let me walk you across the map. Mountains are going to see snow. Front Range and Eastern Plains are going to pick up a little bit of rain and snow mix when this all comes together here. Here's what we're looking at in the high country now. There are winter weather advisories in the purple shaded areas, primarily right now for the western facing slopes, but I think as we get closer, we may see some advisories for Summit County and pushing out up into Rocky Mountain National Park as well. But you can see from the Grand Mesa into the mountains around Aspen, all the way down into the southwestern part of the state, we could see 6 to 12 inches of snow tonight through Wednesday, down to about 7,000, 8,000 feet in some of those areas to the north and above 10,000 feet down to the south. So this is going to be a real good snowmaker for some of those mountain areas. Now, for the Denver metro area, take a look. This is for Wednesday morning primarily. We could have less than a half inch in Littleton, Centennial, Parker, Roxborough, mainly on the grassy surfaces. Castle Rock may see up to an inch, and then you get up into the foothills here, places like Conifer, Evergreen, maybe about 1 to 2.5 inches of snow in some of those areas. And again, that is going to be mainly on the grassy surfaces. Let's start you off with the short term tonight. Snow and rain ramping up in the mountains, and from Denver out over the east, we might see a little sprinkle in the afternoon tomorrow. It's going to be very windy tomorrow as well. From just outside of Denver out over almost all the eastern plains, we have a red flag warning for high fire danger tomorrow with gusts of wind up to 55 miles per hour. Tonight, mild night, 40s and 30s across the state, and tomorrow, 60s and 70s here in the northeastern part of Colorado. So 66 tomorrow, first alert weather day, 44 on Wednesday, with a hard freeze Wednesday night at 27 and a little rain snow mixed in the morning. By Halloween, though, we are out of it at 58, and right now the weekend looks dry with temperatures by then into the 50s and 60s for almost everybody across northeastern Colorado.
All right, Dave, thank you so much. Let's get things down to the View House Centennial talking Broncos tonight.